Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com, making a small video about this pound USD weekly chart trade setup. So let's get started. This is the chart I made on the the 2nd December 2nd, saying that somewhere here between around the TL or 3502 max 3514, somewhere there we're probably gonna drop, right? If the USD start getting strong or pound gets weaker, either way. So I was waiting for that, but here at this date on the 2nd, December 2nd, the price still haven't touched the 3502 number, and there was a chance that it might go up and touch it, try to touch that, right? So that's exactly what happened. I was ready for that, and this is a trade I took to the long side on the next day, 3rd, December 3rd, right? So you can clearly see that it was bullish, and when my system shows clear entries, either bullish or bearish. So when this is the MA is aligned like that, and they're above the red line here, the thick one, then there is no way I can go short, right? It's just no. It's only bullish and only go long. So in the volume time, I saw this that is going up, and beautiful entry here, and I went up for 90 pip, right? And the target was 3502, right? So when I got very close, and watch this one here, 3485, that's where I closed the trade, right? Because a little bit more, so don't have to be greedy, right? We cannot squeeze every single pip. So a few pips before the target, I already had 90 pips, so I closed the trade. Then the next day, I was waiting for it to go up and touch that area and then drop from there, right? And that's exactly what it did. And when it started dropping, I took a short from that area, and I even posted on the Telegram. Let me show it to you that this is where the Telegram is, and you see this here on the 3rd. I said, okay, now it is very close, approaching 35 GU, approaching 3502. I'm expecting this number to hold. Let's see. So I was watching it. It went up. It hit the area and started dropping, and I was ready for that. And this is I got the drop. Price went up. This white line is 3514. This is 3502, and it went into this zone a little bit more above that, and then start dropping. As soon as this much red candles, I open a trade here and put my SL there. My system is always fixed SL 25 pip, because if I'm wrong, what am I going to lose? 25 pip. I already made 90 pip the day before, right? So I'm still positive. And then if I'm right, then I get this. So either way, it's a winning situation. So anyway, start dropping, and the daily pivot, and as being Friday, I just decided to close my trade for 80 pip, because the next day, Monday, people will think about the NFP numbers over the weekend, and then we will decide. So most chances are that we're gonna just go up a little bit and then make the short setup and then drop. But it can go all the way up also, right? So it depends how people will calculate those numbers over the weekend and then decide which direction this USD should go. My current chart of USD, I mean pound USD, is this. So this is I made the on the 5th, right, today. uh, this candle looks like this now, right? And 3502 and 3514. So we are below that, and this is the nice picture. And then I'm expecting that if as long as we stay below 3502, the direction is only to the downside. So if it continue to the downside, I will go short. If not, we will see what happens, right? But like I said, that if it is gonna go up, I would not even see a short setup, and I can't go short. But if it is going to go down, then I will see the short setup, and obviously I'm going to take the trade. So this is it for now. Pound USD, this is where we stand. But there's another thing that if USD is what it is going to do, let me show you what kind of chart on USDX, US dollar index, I have. This is the US dollar daily chart I made so far. This is Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now wave 5, this is the extension level. If you pull the fib from 3 to 4, the 5, it's around 127%, and that's where exactly it is. And that day on Friday, you can see the candle. It's kind of a doji, or you can say a hammer at the level. Right? It is also the this white line here. It is, I think it was like 92.30 or something like that. I forgot to write it down. So we have that level, we have 127, and we kind of, we ended up like a bullish, above 50% of the candle, right? The upper side of the 50% of the candle. So that could be a sign of a turn happening. So if the turn happens and the USD start getting strong, this will happen. US Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD. Wherever the USD is on the right hand side, these pairs will go down, and these three pairs where the USD is on the left hand side, USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen, they will go down. Oh, sorry, they will go up, right? So four pairs will go down, three pairs will go up. Now, I just showed you Pound USD. A very good setup is also available in Euro USD, which is showing that it might be going down. So we have a nice, beautiful bullish candle, but into the area 2154 right here. And if you pull the fib from here to here, we have 78% exactly. And kind of a little bit of pullback here, right? So maybe because of the USD posted a doji there, dragonfly doji kind of thing, right? Hammer. We pulled back here, and then if that USD start getting strong, this will drop. Okay, and it is required now. This is enough long move. If you can consider this as a triangle, then we have A, B, C, and then D and E. So we're gonna drop for wave D. So let's see what happens. It's all depend on USD. Euro was strong, but it start to get weaker. So let's see what happens. But these are the two setups that I'm showing you right now, and be ready. And let's see what happens. Right. So this is it for now. And thanks for watching, and have a very, very wonderful and safe weekend.